So navigate to registration page, right? If you want to navigate registration page, what we need to do? First we have to, so click on okay. So so the next test case is, so let's continue. First, what we need to do, we have to click on, you need to call the clicking account menu, right? So here you can see, so we need to click my account menu, right? You need to click on that. So that's the first, or otherwise we are calling already, I think, right? We are calling already in the method. So directly you can call that function. Okay. So maybe I'll write, I'll call HomePage dot, so navigate to registration page function. Done. So you can see what is the issue. You add exception. So throws interrupted exception is throwing. You just add that. So then, so it will navigate to registration page, then wait for page load. Some wait for a page load you can use. Reg dot wait for a page load. So I'm just waiting for the page load. 1 second. See, I'm not giving full many seconds, but 1 second I'm giving. So we should not give more, but we are just giving a little bit time. That's okay. You can give, so little bit time you can give. So verify the registration page title. So how do you know you reached the registration page? Some element or some page title you have to verify. So that's what I'm doing. Verify the registration page title. So you can use assert equals, and but we have to store the constant. Let's store the constant. Registration page title is there, it's not there. I'm going to store. Registration page title. So you can go to registration page title and see what is the title, right? So we can get, so that's it. So I can call that, so registration page title, but I'm going to use assert equals, assert equals method. So assert equals method, you know, so we have to give that registration page title. So reg page dot get, so you have registration, so get registration page title, that method you have to call, and at the same time constants class inside dot registration page title. So that's the, but you need to come back, right? You need to come back, so you have to return back. So how you can come back? So there should be a home icon, right? You have to click on, okay, so you have to, so click on this home icon. So breadcrumb icon is there. So I think we didn't take, we have to take that. So that's a missing thing. Anything we have to take it. See this home icon. In the, I think, registration page, we have this. So you can call that, right? You can call that. So navigate back to home page. So now you can call registration page dot. So there is a function. So see what are all the functions. Click navigate, click home, breadcrumb home icon, right? So this is the one we want. Okay, so this is all, and you can develop one more before method verifying the some element in the page, right? Anything you landed or not. So, but otherwise, this is the one how you can develop the functions. One more function. So TC05 verify navigate to login page from home page test. Verify navigate to login page. So this is TC05. So test cases you can write in the first you write them in the Excel sheet, manually you execute, then you will do this so automation. So that's a process. So directly you won't do automation. Manually you should be stronger. You should know in and out functional flow, how to set up the data first, and manually you will verify all those things. Then you will come to automation. So without understanding the manual flow, don't jump on automation, because that won't give a effective test case. You cannot build an effective test case for that. So now we are going to use login page object. Login page object. Verify the login page title. So here you need to verify login page title, right? So let's go and verify login page title. If not there, we'll add. Okay. So account login. So take, here is the account login. If it is not there, I will add in the constants class. So it's not there. So we have to add. So login. Okay. Okay. So now you can call that function. So again, login page dot. So any get login page title is there. You can see that is the one. So again, navigate from So you can see navigate to home page. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So that's all the test cases. Uh, so we covered everything, whatever we have written here. So let's test this. Okay, let's test this. How to test? Let's just run this. So individual test case. Okay, so why it is not opening the browser? Because we specified there headless mode. So that headless mode, if you stop, it will work. Okay, headless mode you can stop, it will complete. See, it is completed. So now the you can so get the report. So we can just refresh, and you will get there is a one target folder we should get, but a target folder we are not getting. Yeah, fine. But so what we can do, let me so spin up the Docker. Okay, let me spin up the Docker, and we can get there so easily. I will open the Docker, my Docker desktop, and I'll show you how to run that Docker compose file. I think here experts also there, Navya and Harshini, how to run Docker compose files. They are aware of that. See, my Docker engine is, we first download this Docker desktop, and then we can run the any Docker files, Docker compose files, anything. Still it is starting. Let it complete starting. Yeah, my previous things, these are all, but yeah, fine. Let's see. I have to look at that where I kept them. I think I kept under. Okay, so so yeah, it's not there. Yeah, let it. So yeah, ready. So let's go to where I kept somewhere all the Docker compose files. those Docker Compose files, we need to run them. So let me see where I kept them. I think chain test, I created one folder, chain test folder. Chain test. Java programs. So where is this? Eclipse. Okay, we'll go to this location. If not there, we'll download all the files from chain test repo. We have to close this. Next class we need to start, right? WS24. Eclipse WS24. WS, this one. One card. Okay, Docker files. I don't want to waste time where I kept, but yeah, otherwise next class I'll show you, okay? So the Docker files I kept somewhere. Docker compose files. Script. Yeah, okay. So I'll show you a report next class, okay? So